ALTARO Backup is a virtual machine backup, replication and recovery solution for Hyper-V and VMware. Lab session for today is, how to install, configure, and use the ALTARO Backup application. Welcome to Global Technology Options. Let's join with screencast. First of all, let's log into the vCenter to identify the environment. As you can see, I'm going to install the backup application into the TS Lab Backup server. This is Windows Server 2016 Standard Edition. Let's get our DP session into the backup server. If you want, you can go ahead with the installation through the console itself. So this is the downloaded backup application. Let's install the backup application in the backup server. You can change the installation path if you want. For now, I'm keeping it the same way, without making a change. This is the login interface of the ALTARO VM Backup application. Now, you are granted with two options to logging into the application. For now, I'm selecting the access from the local machine. Now you have to connect by giving the Windows Server username and the password. First, we need to add the ESXi host or vCenter into the backup application. Now I'm adding the vCenter here. Test the connectivity by providing the vCenter IP address and the credentials. Once the connectivity is successful, you can click Next. Now the backup application is identifying the vCenter hosts. Once we finish this, the backup server is identifying the host VMS. backup location is necessary to provide in the next step. Now you can give out a partition of the local server or a remote location. I'm giving the D partition of the local server. We have to drag and drop the suggested backup VM. Now the configurations of the backup location is done. Now, we can prepare a backup schedule. In here, I'm making a test schedule. The schedule time, just 3 minutes before the backup server time. Once completing the schedule, we have to drag and drop the required server that has to back up into the schedule. Now we have to wait for the schedule time. Now the server time is matched with the schedule time. It is visible now that the backup job has started. When we looked in the vCenter, is it visible that there is a snapshot in the app server? After completing the backup job, you can see the status on the dashboard. Let's see how we can restore the backup. In here, I'm restoring the app server. from deleting the app server. Application has given several options for VM restoration. Now we are going to restore the VM as a clone. First we have to provide details relate to their backup location. Names and the restore location details can be given in the next interface. Also, network can be disabled to avoid the IP conflict. Once providing all the details, click Finish button. Now you can visit the dashboard and see the restoration details. Completion of the restoration done. When you check in the vCenter, it is visible that the restored VM is showed in the inventory. Let's power up the server. Now VM is successfully powered up. Let's meet with another session next time. Watch, like, and subscribe to my channel and Facebook page for more exciting sessions.